Hello friends, hello teachers. Hope you are fine and doing good. And today I have brought Vlookup function for you because this was my need. So I brought this function in front of you because I wanted in the morning I was searching the detail of the particular student. Then I find it that this is very difficult to find the entire information on one click. So I decided to use um, drop-down menu and VLOOKUP functions so that I can fetch the entire information related to the particular student. So for that, I decided to create a drop-down menu, and I have the sheet. Like, this is my sheet. I have this sheet, and suppose if I click on this admission number 13493, and she's Amandeep Kaur, and here this is the name which she filled while I was getting the information, collecting the information. And this was the information I collected, and this is the proper information I created using proper function. And here, gender, mother's name, and father's name, and category. So if I click the admission number to find the rest of the detail, I have to move my cell pointer left or right. So to overcome this problem, uh, I have an idea that I should create a drop down list so that when I click the admission number, the entire detail, the rest of the detail of a student which I want should come. And for that purpose, I'm going to use uh, data validation along with VLOOKUP. So how to do this? So we are going and we are doing this in our sheet. So I had created the sheet VLOOKUP. So here I mentioned 5 rows. One is admission number, other is name, mother, father, and category. So as soon as I click admission number, it should give the rest of the detail of that particular admission number. So the first step is to create the drop down list for the admission number. So I'm here, and simply press equal and not equal, select data menu, and from this data menu I select data validation, and this is the VLOOKUP sheet. And here I choose the option list from range, and here I click it to select the range. So my range is obviously the list of admission number. So I must go to this sheet where I will have to select this range, that is C to C, the entire column I want. And so my column is selected, and I'm not going to change anything this window, and simply clicking save. So this way I selected the admission number for drop down list. And as soon as I come to the VLOOKUP sheet, I found my drop down list is created. And now what I want, if I select any of the admission number from here, the entire information corresponding to this admission number uh, should be fetched in the respective columns, or respective rows, right? So for that I will have to use VLOOKUP. So in VLOOKUP, what should be the procedure? In VLOOKUP, we have to select the range, and first we have to select the search key, and search key is the first column and other columns come after the first column. So this number 20940, this is the first column and rest columns are after this column. So here I am going to apply VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP like this, and then E, this is B1, and after that range I'm going to select. So my range begins from here and I'm going till category, and so I'm selecting the entire range of this sheet, and my range is over, and after that I'll have to select the index. So index of means I want the name first. So name is the fifth column. Okay, A B C D E. So fifth column is the name. So I'll give by okay. Okay, because C is the first column and corresponding to C, this is the third column. So this is the third column. And after that is sorted. No, I want as it is. So I'll give 0. And this way my end VLOOKUP entry is completed. And as soon as I print enter key, so the student name corresponding to this admission number is grabbed in the particular cell. And now I will have to apply this same function in rest of the cells. So because I'm going to copy this formula, and that's why I want to make this cell number or cell address is absolute. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just put dollar sign here and here because B1 is common, and similarly the range is also fixed. Only change which will take place, that is the column number. Okay, so if I press enter, it will give this student name. Now I'm going to copy this function and paste it here, and now I have to change the column number. So what should be the column number for mother's name? So for mother's name, column number, if this is 3, 4, 5 and 6, 6 is the mother name. So I'll have to change the column number and it should be 6. And as soon as I press enter, her mother's name is grabbed in this cell. And again, I'm going to copy the formula here. And this time, I need father's name. So father's name is here in column. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and sixth, seventh, and eighth. Eighth is the father's name. So I'll give in VLOOKUP formula column number 8 and press enter. So name comes up. Now I'm going to copy this formula here also, and this time I'll have to give the category. So category is on column 8 and 9 and 10. So category is on column number 10. So I'll modify only this column number, and as soon as I press enter, so my VLOOKUP works. And if you see the formula, the search key is constant, so absolute. the range in which I have to search the value, it is also constant or absolute, and this way I have made use of VLOOKUP. So I think this is the fantastic method to get the values the entire from the entire sheet using only one key. So here only one key, that is admission number, is giving the entire information, rest of the information of the child. So if you like it, kindly share, and if you have some idea to improvise this, kindly share it with me. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.